Hello everyone, this is Erica from What's Up Erica. Today I'm gonna be doing my first ever toy review. I've already tried it, so I already know how to use it. So this is the melting snowman. Build me up and watch me melt. I just bought this from Toy Trains. So let's just open it up, and we have a small hat. The two little, let's see, where is this? Let's just show this. The two arms. Just show that over there. A tiny little scarf. A nose. And two eyes. So let's get this putty out. Okay, so I've read the instructions, and oh yeah, here are the parts. The putty, and so first we get the parts together, get two putties cut in half, almost in half at least. So first we have to stretch this so it could go melt properly. You can hear stuff. Of course, I've already stretched it before the video, just need to stretch a bit more. And there we go. So it's a bit hard to take it off because, yes, but we'll just use the simple way. So got that. Snip, snip, snip. Thank you. So we just have to cut it almost in half because the body has to be bigger than the head. And boom. Cut this part off. So let's just put this over here. And put this one right over here. Snip, snip. So let's go with the body. So first let's roll this up. Here. And then the head. Oh, it's already melting. Stuck that in there. There we go. That stops it a bit from melting. We'll just put the tiny hat right over here. And there. Then we can't forget the two eyes. Oh. There we go. Oh no, it's starting to melt. Stay there. And then, voila. Ta-da! It's starting to melt already. So I'll do a small time lapse and I'll see you in a flash. Okay guys, that was a time lapse, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Say bye, Frosty. Bye. I feel so cold inside. Dun 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 dun. No. I can't do this. Hello everybody, welcome. So snip, snip, snip. Okay, so let's just cut this. Oh, I completely missed. That's just embarrassing.